You know, I think the Earth might actually be flat.
No, it's square.
Oh. But that is flat.
But no. Shut up. It's square. Flat is not square.
Okay.
What?
Huh?
Here, Mirko, check it out.
It's a chicken.
Ah, chicken!
Hello, chicken.
Hey guys, how's it going?
Alright, I guess.
Get it away from me!
Hey, how's it going? Are you a cool guy?
Chicken!
Okay. Hi, my name Torchic, and I don't know why I'm here. I just found this place. Nice place you got here.
Yeah, it is.
Okay, I'll just go back to having fun, I guess. Ah! Ooh, pizza time!
What are you doing to my pizza?
Eating it 'cause I'm hungry.
Pizza time.
Yeah, it's pizza time.
Chicken!
What are you doing? Why are you being such a chicken?
Chicken! Hi, Mirko. Is the chicken gone?
No.
Well, how are we gonna get rid of it?
Why are we gonna get rid of it?
Are you kidding me? It's a chicken!
So?
What? How are you not scared? Those things are terrifying with their beady little eyes and their weird, crooked, beaks and... Anyway, they're really weird.
Well, what are you gonna do about them, then?
I don't know.
Don't you dare.
I'm gonna beat that chicken out of our house. It's the last thing I do. Wait a minute. Where is he? I saw him. This way. Uh-oh.
Ow.
I'm sorry.
You should start running.
Okay. I think I ran him. I'm tired. What does that sound?